Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out one of the most reliable and business-focused professional laptops available right now, the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 6. If you're someone who needs power, durability, enterprise-level security, and all-day productivity packed into a lightweight 14-inch form factor, this machine deserves your attention. The T14 Gen 6 continues the ThinkPad legacy with military-grade build quality, a classic matte finish, and one of the best keyboards ever put on a Windows laptop. But this year, Lenovo has brought serious upgrades on the inside. It's powered by Intel's Ultra 7255U processor, part of Intel's latest AI-ready lineup, which means you're getting improved efficiency, better multitasking, and built-in AI acceleration for tasks like video calls, productivity apps, and background workloads. Paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, this laptop handles heavy multitasking with ease. Multiple browser tabs, office software, remote desktops, development tools, everything runs smoothly without drops or slowdowns. The 1TB CD gives you plenty of fast storage for projects, documents, and applications, while keeping the system responsive. The 14-inch 5+ IPS display is sharp, bright, and perfect for productivity with its taller aspect ratio. Color accuracy and viewing angles are excellent, making it suitable for work, content viewing, and light creative tasks. On top of that, the laptop includes a 5-pane webcam, a huge upgrade from standard 720p cameras, delivering clearer video calls and better low-light performance. Like any true ThinkPad, security is a major highlight. You get a fingerprint reader, Windows Hello support, ThinkShield security layers, and a physical privacy shutter for the webcam. Connectivity is top tier, Wi-Fi 6E, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-A, dummy, and a full docking ecosystem for professional setups. It's also an AI PC, optimized for Windows 11 Pro with enhanced on-device AI features that make workflow automation and system performance even better. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who travels frequently, the ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 gives you reliability, speed, and professional-grade performance in a compact package. If you want to check out the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 6, the Amazon link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse for more daily tech reviews.